What's good, YouTube? Y'all know what it is, man. This your boy Tank be chopping, back with another video, man. And today's video, we're actually gonna be talking about the new Gamma Plus Evo Nano Mister. Let's get it. All right, guys, so a little more than a week ago, I received a package and it had this Gamma Plus Evo Nano Mister. And as y'all can see, I already have it right here. I've been using it, I have it on my station. So I just wanted to give y'all a quick video talking about the Gamma Evo Nano Mister. Now let's go ahead and check out the box first. So this is the box that it comes in. Check it out. Pretty nice box. Pretty normal type box that Gamma uses to package their products. Y'all check it out, man. Like I said, it's a pretty nice box. You know, Gamma's boxes always be pretty dope. You know what I'm saying? I never really have an issue with their packaging and their boxes and stuff. So check it out, that's the box. So let's go ahead and read some of the stuff on this box before I actually start talking about me using the Nano Mister. So right here on the side, it says, it fires a nano mist, whisper quiet, 90-minute runtime, Usbc rechargeable, 1-year warranty, compact design. So that's what we got on this side. I'm gonna actually go ahead and read the back for y'all. 13-ounce high-capacity water storage for less frequent refilling. So it does come with a little bottle that you fill up. It's 13 ounces in case y'all were interested. Nano automation technology dispenses a targeted and superfine fog-like mist, ensuring liquids land where they're supposed to, keeping stations and clients dry. Lithium-ion battery provides 90 minutes of cordless runtime, Usbc rechargeable for universal worldwide use, high and low mist setting with charging indicator, cordless and compact, handheld design is great for travel. So once again, man, that is the box. And once again, guys, as y'all can see, I've already took this out the box. I've been using it. But when you open up the box, and you get the Nano Mister out of there, obviously this thing comes separate. It doesn't come with the liquid container already attached to it. It's you know, it's screwed off. So I'll go ahead and unscrew this for y'all so y'all can get a better look of how it comes out the box. So these two items basically come, you know, separate in the box. And then in the box, we also get the USB-C charging cord. And then we get the little handheld instruction manual that we ain't ever really gonna look at, so we're gonna chunk that over there. But let's go ahead and start looking at this gun, man. So as y'all can see, it comes in white. Not sure if they're gonna have it in black. Me personally, I would have preferred it in black, but white isn't bad. Still looks nice and sleek. Kind of looks like a blow dryer, if you think about it, like a small compact blow dryer. We got the words Gamma Plus Evo right here. And as you can see here, that's the light. This is where the mist comes out from. And then the back, we have a charge indicator. We also have a low setting and a high setting. So me personally, I've been using it only on low, but you can use it on high if you like. But me personally, I just use it on low. I don't like to get my clients too saturated with it. So to use it, all you would do is fill up this with aftershave, alcohol, whatever you want to put in it. I got some aftershave in there, and then you would just put it in here like so. Make sure you screw it in properly. And once again, as I said earlier, it does have a low and high setting on here. As y'all can see, this is the mist on low. I don't want to spray the camera, but that is on low, and this is high. And you can actually hear once you put it on high, that it picks up speed and it starts to spray a little more. So once again, this is the low setting. And that's the high setting right there. So you can hear it, you can hear the motor pick up, you can hear it spray a little faster, a little harder. That way, you know, because it's a high setting, right? One thing that I do like about this Nano Mister is I've had it for a little more than a week, dude, and I haven't even charged it up yet. You know what I'm saying? I took it straight out the box, filled my container up with aftershave, put it to use, and I've been using it for a little more than a week. Still hadn't had to charge it yet, you know what I'm saying? And then the good thing is, if I do need to charge it, once again, like I said earlier, it's USB-C charging, so you just have to plug in a USB-C charger there, and then you can just use it once it's fully charged. So I did want to show y'all in comparison to another gun that I have. That way y'all can actually see the comparison, see the size difference, and see how it looks compared to other spray guns. So check it out. This is one of the other Mister guns that I have. As y'all can see, It's a little louder. The reason why I didn't like this gun is because sometimes when I would turn it on to spray, I'd have to shake it to actually get it to start to spray. And this one, I just turn it on and it starts spraying, you know what I'm saying? I do like that this one has two settings, a high and a low. Even though I really don't use it on high, it's still just good to have just in case. But let's look at the differences between the two guns. As you can see, I don't know if y'all can really tell on camera, but the Gamma Evo Nano Mister is slightly bigger than the other gun that I have. I believe I got this one off of, I don't want to lie to y'all, man. I may have got it off of Amazon, may have gotten it off of FortWorthBarberSupply.com. Not even 100% sure, but as y'all can see, it is slightly bigger. The plastic feels more durable on these. So I do get a good amount of runtime with this off of no charge, you know what I'm saying? Just straight out the box, I've been using it and it hasn't really died on me. And if I do need a charger, the good thing is, like I said earlier, it does have a USB-C charging port, so you can actually just plug it in there and it'll actually charge up. So all in all, man, I think it's a pretty good tool. It's not necessarily needed, you know what I'm saying? Like I understand we have spray bottles, you can use alcohol and you can put alcohol on the next trip, however you want to do it, you know what I'm saying? But it's just a little extra, you know, I like to do it on my clients. It's just something cool to have, you know what I'm saying? And you know your boy is a little extra when it comes to my services and all that good stuff. So I'm a little extra, so I like to actually use this on my clients and I feel that they get a good experience from me actually using this. Now I'm not 100% sure of the price of the Gamma Evo Nano Mister, but I do know that it is on their website, gammaplusna.com. I'll make sure to put the price somewhere on the screen for y'all. That way y'all can actually know how much it is before y'all purchase this. But if you are gonna purchase this, remember guys, gammaplusna.com. You can use my discount code TANK10. That way you save yourself a little bit of money, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, guys, I just wanted to talk to y'all a little bit about the Gamma Plus Evo Nano Mister. Once again, it's not a must buy, but if you're a little extra like I am, you know, you think this is pretty dope, and some of your clients might think it's dope. So with that being said, man, that's basically it for this video. If you like this video, please make sure to smash that like button. Also, if new to my channel, make sure to subscribe one time for your boy. And that's basically it, YouTube. I appreciate y'all for watching. Until next time, let's go. One more thing, guys. If y'all like this tee, y'all see your boy rocking, I do have them on my website, tankbchopping.com. I got these barber tees on my website. You can't check them out. Not saying you gotta cop them, but I really appreciate it if y'all do, guys. But yeah, man, that's it for this video. I'm out of here.